How to fix phone no float on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're facing this kind of issue, you can follow up the steps. So first thing is that issue is often temporary, so you need to give it some time usually. And after a few hours a day, you can just go ahead and try opening up the Telegram application itself, and the issue should resolve itself automatically. To avoid hitting this kind of error in the future, you can try to limit how fast you send messages, especially if you're sending message to multiple people or groups at once. Telegram has a system in the place to prevent spam, so sending too many messages too quickly can trigger this error. Another trick is clearing the cache of the app. So you can close the app and head over to the application again by outside, long press on it, and you will be finding info section at the top. You can tap on it again, and after tapping on it, you can scroll down and head over to storage. After that, from storage, go ahead and clear the cache by tapping on the clear cache in the button. So this is one of the method. Another thing is you can go ahead and restart the Telegram app or even your phone. So sometimes a quick restart can fix many issues, so you can long press on the power button of your device and tap on the restart option in the middle of the screen in order to restart. Another thing is making sure your Telegram app is up to date. So you can head over to Play Store application. If you're on Android, go to the search bar and search for Telegram here. And also update your app to the latest version if there is any kind of updates. If none of the steps work, you can head over to Telegram support and contact their support team in order to help you with more advanced troubleshooting steps if needed. And that's it. Hopefully one of the steps helped you fix the phone no float issue on Telegram. So if this video was useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.